Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner. I love all things planners, lifestyle, fashion, you call it, I do it. I just have tons of fun on YouTube and on Instagram, but you can follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok by the Curvy Planner. I'll make sure to leave all that information down below, but today I am going to go ahead and focus on this beautiful collection. It is called the Teeny Florals collection, and I have 2 sticker books and 2 planners, and these are 18-month planners. This is a big and a classic size, so I am so excited. I'm going to do flip throughs of these later on once I'm done with flipping through these. But let's start with the big because it is a big planner. This is really pretty. It does have in gold foil, One Happy Life. Let me remove the plastic. So it does, again, have this small gold detailing that says a One Happy Life and some polka dots here throughout. I love the colors, just gives me like all the spring vibes. Ooh, look at this, how cute. So cute. It's so like cute and dainty. That's what I like about it. Let me move this other planner out of the way for now. Okay, so hello, this big happy planner belongs to, which we like seeing. You have your year at a glance. This beautiful life with gold details. So this is July with polka dots. And this is, yes, a vertical. Perfect. Because a vertical is what I use, so I'm pretty sure they just sent me majority of the verticals. This is so pretty. Polka dots. Plant dreams, pull weeds, grow a happy life for August. And then it alternates 2 lines. And then we have September. Beauty is all around with this like really pretty silver foil, and it flips back to polka dots. Bloom and grow, be strong, and know you're beautifully you. And we have November. I'll go ahead and flip just through the dividers. Makes it easier for y'all to see the dividers, which is what we care about a lot of because the layout doesn't really change. And it says flowers are always a good idea. A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. So cute. I love this. I love the colors. Grow through what you go through. Ooh, look at this one. Believe in the good with this like, kind of like, it looks like rose gold, but it looks more like a copper because it is, no, it is rose gold. So pretty. One Happy Life, June, July, the grass is greener where you water it. Aww. August, September, be like a flower and reach for the sun. October, I love how encouraging these little messages are. November, never stop dreaming. And December with this rose gold. And then this is the notes page in the back. And then this is what the back looks like. So pretty. And then we have the classic size. Hey guys, okay, sorry, I had to clear my throat and drink some water. I've been recording all of my videos today and I've been a little sick, so I need to make sure to stay hydrated. But this is the classic planner from the Teeny Florals collection, which is absolutely adorable. I'm pretty sure this is identical to the big, which I will also show next to each other, just so we know that it's pretty much similar. But this is the inside, so that is pretty different, but I love the inside. Sometimes I love the insides more than the covers, but this one you can't go wrong with either or. Like, look at that cover. Absolutely gorgeous. So then this is the inside. Hello, this big happy planner belongs to. This is a classic, so it should say this happy planner belongs to, but okay. this is again what the planner looks like. Again, I'm pretty sure it's identical, but let's still flip through it. I'll skip through that. This Beautiful Life. So yeah, identical. Yep. Okay, so now that we know it's identical, I'm going to go ahead and close the big and just continue flipping through the dividers so we can get to the stickers. And this is November, December, yeah, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Ooh, so pretty. September. I know we just saw it in the big, but I'm still like, ooh, this is so pretty. October. I think the only difference with this one is that, yeah, this is a dashboard layout. So just FYI, I didn't mention that, but this is a dashboard layout. November. Never Stop Dreaming. Ooh, December. And the back has the note page. And then this is the back. So cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these sticker books. Ooh, so pretty. So this is the big, and it looks like this is the classic size. So let's go through the classic size first. I can actually flip them next to each other so you can kind of see the differences. These pages look pretty much identical, even in size. And that is where they get different, is like obviously the boxes, because the boxes in the big need to be bigger. Making sure I don't skip any pages. Yeah. And then same with the circles, because they need to be bigger in the big. So you get some boxes over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip through them separately then, just so you can see them, because they'll be a little different. I love these little washi strips, always have. Have some functional boxes, some decorative. These are clear. Some boxes. And we have these foiled ones. These are clear floral stickers. Ooh, these are cute for like the bottom of the planner. So pretty. Ooh, I like these. So cute. Ooh, look at these. These are foiled. Foiled and clear. Oh, look at these little, these are like little bullet points, and they have little flowers in them. How cute. I love that. And then here we have some more decorative stickers and quotes that are foiled and clear. Ooh, look at these for like the corners. Cute. Maybe like the corner of like the vertical planner, or even the corner of the entire planner. Ooh, look at this one. So cute. And we have gold foil, some rose gold, and then some floral boxes. So cute. So that is the classic one. And then here we have the big. We just went through some of these pages, so I won't go into detail about those. Cute. It's going to be very similar, but just like usually the boxes are the ones that are a lot more different than what you see in the other sticker book. I love these colors because they're not like bright and super colorful. They're like kind of like slightly muted, but still have enough color to them to make you happy on a gloomy day, you know? So cute. And they have also these little dot strips. Some decorative stickers in clear and foiled. Functional boxes. Ooh, look at these. Cute. Some foiled boxes. Circled stickers. And we saw those in the other sticker book. These two. And these have more like the smaller ones. So that's interesting. I don't believe that was in the other one. I want to compare it. Just really quick. It was towards the back. Yeah, see? Interesting. Whoops. Okay, there. Yeah, so I skipped the page. So this one, some floral boxes, some decorative florals and clear sticker paper, functional boxes, foiled florals. Ooh, and these are cute. And then the florals, the floral boxes. So that is the Teeny Florals collection. So cute. At least this is what I got. Be sure to check out the other squad members' unboxings and flip throughs, as we all got different things in our boxes. But I will go ahead and leave the information of when everything will be available and the codes that you can use, also leave them in the description box. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.